My name is Rosanna Hernandez and I have a website called efficiencyandorganization.com. I am an expert on efficiency and organizing and productivity, and I'm going to share with you what I do to keep everything I do together using a simple planner. Every year in December, I get a planner for the new year. So this is my planner for this year. What I do is in here, I keep very important information. I keep phone numbers and I keep some addresses in there that I know I need. Every task, everything I need to do in very specific ways, I write them in my calendar. So for example, for my website, what I do is I'm trying to release like a new article, a new blog every week. So I go in and I write down what I'm going to write about that week. My goal this week was to write on being organized with personal finances. I wrote the article. It had to do with saving money, like 25 tips for saving money. As soon as I was done, I crossed it off. So then I said, okay, now what am I going to do? Well, do I want to make a video? If I do, I'm going to go and write that for another day. If I don't want to make a video, what else do I want to do? Do I want to post it on Pinterest? How many pins do I want to make for it? So see, I try to be as specific as possible and I put it all in my calendar. I put dates of important meetings. I put dates of appointments, which most people do. But I also put some important things having to do with renewals, like insurance renewals. If, for example, this summer I want to look at our life insurance policy, I already have a note to make sure I contact the person who helps us with that, the financial advisor. So everything that I need to get done, I write it down in the planner, but my key thing is being specific. If I'm not specific, it's not going to help. Some other uses, some other ways I use my planner is birthdays. I make sure I put birthdays, if there are any special anniversaries, if somebody has passed away, like a friend's family member has passed away, believe it or not, I actually do make a note to contact the person so that way I could be sure to remind myself, because there's just a lot happening. I'm a school principal, I'm a mom, I have small businesses, so it's really hard to keep track of everything, as you can imagine. And so I do have to write these things down, turn them into action plans in my planner so I can cross them off as I go and feel accomplished. If you could visit the website, I'll have the link in the description box and you can subscribe. That way you can make sure that you receive valuable information on how to be more productive, more efficient, more organized in everyday life to be able to achieve more and keep moving on up. Please also subscribe to this channel and also hit the notification bell so you can be notified when a new video is released. Thank you for being with me, and I'll catch you in the next video.